The arches of your foot are a complex network of bones, ligaments, and tendons that form a structure resembling a bridge. They play a crucial role in supporting your body weight, distributing pressure, and enabling movement. There are two main types of arches in the foot: longitudinal arches. These run from the heel to the toes. There are two of them: medial longitudinal arch. This is the higher arch responsible for shock absorption and propulsion. Lateral longitudinal arch. This is flatter and provides stability. Transverse arch. This runs across the width of the foot, connecting the inner and outer edges. It works in conjunction with the longitudinal arches. Arches help distribute your body weight evenly across the foot, reducing pressure on any single point. They act as shock absorbers, protecting your joints and bones from the impact of walking, running, and jumping. Arches provide stability and balance, allowing you to stand, walk, and run efficiently. They allow the foot to adapt to different surfaces and movements. Factors affecting arch health. Several factors can influence the health of your arches, including footwear. Improperly fitting shoes can affect arch alignment and contribute to foot problems. Weight. Excess weight can put additional strain on the arches. Muscle strength and flexibility. Weak or tight muscles in the feet and ankles can impact arch function. Foot type. People with high arches, supination, or flat feet, pronation, may experience specific issues. Common arch problems. Issues with the arches can lead to various foot problems such as plantar fasciitis, inflammation of the plantar fascia, a thick band of tissue that supports the arch, metatarsalgia, pain in the ball of the foot, arch pain, discomfort in the arch itself,